Hey guys, welcome to my channel and my name is Gurjot. We all know how badly COVID has affected our day-to-day life and one of the most troubled category is students. Because of the pandemic, a lot of students have opted for online IELTS coaching, and if you are also planning to take up an online course, then stay tuned because today we are going to talk about IELTS Ninja and BNPS International. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So let's start with IELTS Ninja. IELTS Ninja is an online platform for IELTS coaching. It promises to help individuals get their desired band score through various strategies. One can also enroll for a free demo session where you can get an idea of the teaching pattern. It is actually a 1:1 session, so during the class you can get the full attention of the trainer. Various courses are available on their website varying in modules and duration. So you can definitely choose as per your convenience. So talking about my experience with IELTS Ninja, I booked a demo session with them. On the decided day the class started, I was assigned a coach. Her name was Gitanjali. The demo session was of 30 minutes. So the first 5 minutes were totally introduction part. She asked me some general questions. She told me about herself. Then she started with an unseen passage. The good thing about this class was that she didn't wasted the whole time in reading the passage. She just read 2 paragraphs and shared a strategy with me, that is annotation, and thereafter she asked me to answer some questions based on this strategy. So I was quite satisfied, and I got all the correct answers correct. So it was a good session. In the end, she asked me for the feedback, that how was the class, I liked it or not. So overall, in totality, I would say it was a good informative session. Moving on to BNPS International, I came to know about BNPS through Instagram. I searched about it on internet and came to know that BNPS is also a platform that provides you online IELTS coaching. Not only online, they also have facility for offline classes, but at very few places. So talking about the online classes, they also have option for free demo session. So I scheduled a session with BNPS. The session started well in time, and in the beginning the coach asked me if I was aware of the exam or not. I informed him that yes, I'm aware of the exam. It's not my first attempt, but ignoring that, he wasted a lot of time in explaining me the pattern of the exam and what type of questions come in the exam. I thought that was not required. We could have saved some time over there. Moving on, he took up an unseen passage. He read the whole passage, which again was not required. There was no strategy. He was just translating it. After that, he asked me to answer the questions which he himself answered. So overall, my input in the session was zero. The interaction between us was negligible, and I was not at all satisfied with the class. In the end, he asked me for the feedback and I shared the same with him. So if we compare IELTS Ninja and BNPS International, I would recommend IELTS Ninja. The reasons being well-planned lessons, good strategies, proper utilization of time, and lastly, good interaction between teacher and the student. So if you are also planning to take up IELTS Ninja, then go ahead. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so you can get a notification whenever I upload a new video. See you soon. Bye.